Tuning, tuning, tuning. Yes, make sure that you tune before you do this video. Hello everyone, welcome to the final video of this guitar series for children. Today we're going to be learning 2 chords. I saved chords for last because they're a little bit more difficult than just playing single notes or one string at a time. In the last video we had learned about chords already, specifically these chords called mini chords. Those are all great and everything, but we're going to move on to the big doggers. The 2 chords we're going to be learning today are E minor and Asus2.
Asus what?
Let's start with our first chord, E minor. When we look at E minor here, we see an E and a little M. It has kind of a sad or a spooky sound to it. So when we play E minor, we're going to be playing all of our strings. When we did our mini chords, we just did the bottom 3 strings. But now we're going to be doing all 6 strings. To play E minor, what we're going to do is we're going to use our pointer finger and we're going to go to the 2nd fret on the 5th string. Okay, so the 5th string is the second one from the top, all right? So 2nd fret, 5th string, so we count 1, 2. We're right here, we're right below this top string. 2nd fret, we're gonna hold down there, right? Pointer finger right there. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna use our middle finger and we're gonna play the 2nd fret, 4th string. So that's like right underneath the note we were just holding down, right? So we have 2nd fret, 5th string and 2nd fret, 4th string like this. So you hold these 2 fingers like this, both on the 2nd fret, and then you're going to strum all the strings. Let's try that again. We're going to go 2nd fret, 5th string, and 2nd fret, 4th string right underneath. If you could give me a thumbs up on this video, I would really appreciate it. The next chord we're going to play is Asus2. Now this chord isn't very common, but it's a good chord to follow up from E minor. To play Asus2, what we're going to do is we're going to take our pointer finger and we're going to play the 2nd fret, 4th string now. All right, so that's right here, 4th string. And then we're going to play the 2nd fret, 3rd string right below, like this, with our middle finger. It looks almost exactly like E minor, except everything is down a set of strings. Let's try that again. We're going to go to the 2nd fret, 4th string with our pointer finger. And then we're going to go to the 2nd fret, 3rd string with our middle finger. Hold both those down and strum. Now we're not going to strum all the strings on the Asus2. We're going to skip the top string, also known as the 6th string, and we're going to go from the 5th string down. All right, now we're going to go back to that E minor. 2nd fret, 5th string, 2nd fret, 4th string. Hold that. Use the tips of your fingers. You might have to arch your fingers over the strings a little bit like this. And strum. Now we're going to go to the Asus2. We're going to do a little trick here. We're just going to move each finger down a string. So just slide each one down. And then skip the top string and strum. Let's go back to the E minor. So we'll just move each finger up a string now. Scooch, scooch. Strum all the strings. Moving down to the Asus2, each finger down a string. Boop, boop. Skip the top string. Now you can use different fingers if you want to. I like to use my pointer finger and my middle finger. But you could use your middle finger and ring finger too, like this. For both chords. Now, if you want to make it sound a little more interesting, like you'd hear a guitar part in a song, what you can do is you can play a strumming pattern on each chord. So for example, if we went to E minor, you could try this. Down, 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 up, down. And then switch chords to the A sus2 by going down a string on each. And then going down, 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 up, down. Let's go back to our E minor. Down, 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 up, down, and then A sus2. Down, 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 up, down. Eventually you want to connect the patterns so that you don't hear a pause in between chords like this. That's it for this video, you guys. I just want to say thank you for watching this beginner guitar series for children. There won't be any more videos except maybe a final video to give you some more pointers as to what to do next. My videos are now being changed to for kids, so YouTube is disabling comments on my videos, unfortunately. I'm also going to create a series for all ages, so if you want to leave comments on that, that would be great too. Thanks everyone, be well.